Welcome to Liz Inspired Tech. This is our first lesson in our data analytics course. Today, we'll learn the basics of SQL and how it helps us to handle data effectively. SQL is a powerful language used to manage and manipulate data within a database. Unlike Excel, where you may struggle to extract specific data, SQL allows you to focus directly on the data you want to view. A database is essentially a collection of data stored in a computer's memory. It organizes information in a structured way, making it easy to retrieve and manipulate. A relational database organizes data into one or more tables, making it easy to identify and access related data. RDBMS, Relational Database Management System. An RDBMS is a program that allows you to create, update, and administer a relational database. SQL statements. SQL statements are text commands that the database recognizes as valid instructions. They allow you to perform various operations on the data. Here are some key concepts I would like you to note. Queries are SQL commands that help you to manipulate a subset of data. They define the specific data you are seeking. Rows and columns. Rows are specific instances of data, and columns represent particular qualities of the data. In terms of data analytics, SQL allows us to interact with databases, and Python enhances our ability to analyze and visualize the data. Python is a versatile programming language that supports various libraries for data analysis, such as pandas for data manipulation, NumPy for numerical operations, and Matplotlib for data visualization. We've come to the end of our first lesson in our series. If you have any questions, you can drop it in the comment section. If you found this tutorial helpful, you can like, comment, and share for more content like this.